Good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fine and you are safe at your home. In your Sainik School coaching, I am taking intelligence part. Today, in intelligence, we will start our first topic, that is analogy. Children, our topic is analogy. Analogy means similarity, or we can say that having similar features. Analogy means similarity or having similar features. Children, in the questions related to analogy, we have to find out the relationship between words, letters and numbers which are given in the questions. Another similar relations have to be identified from the alternatives provided. In this way, we can only solve the questions of analogy. To understand analogical relationship, let us consider example. For example, college. College is related to students and hospital is related to patients. In college, education is provided to students. In college, education is provided to students, while in hospitals, treatment is given to patients. Both are similar because in college, education is provided to students. Student is related with college, and in hospitals, treatment is given to patients. That means patients are related to hospitals. Analogy is divided into types. Its first type is word analogy, in which words are related to each other. Second one is number analogy. We can check the relationship of numbers in that. And third one is alphabet analogy, in which we find the relationship between the alphabets. In word analogy, some of the examples I am giving you. For example, the synonyms can be considered in this analogy. Quality, quantity and units. For example, if I am buying something, the quantity of the material and the unit used for writing is quantity. Both are related. Measurement and instruments are there. Workers and tool relationships, individuals and its dwelling are there. Some other examples, countries are related with their capitals and even the currencies of the countries. States of India and their capitals, working place and the work is there. Both are related. For example, school is related to teaching, restaurant is related to serving, garage is related to repairing. And in capitals, we can quote the example, Bangladesh is related to Dhaka. If we talk about the occupation and working place, lawyer is related to court and the work is legal practice. These are word analogies. These are related to each other. In number analogy, the number are in a given pair or group. The candidate has to find out relationship between the numbers or the group of numbers. Then he has to complete the incomplete pair by choosing the correct number from the given alternatives. In this, we can take the example of even and odd numbers, multiply and divide, multiplication and division of numbers, addition and subtraction of numbers. Even you can take the example of square root of the number. In alphabet analogy, in this analogy, there is a relationship between the alphabets or group of alphabets. The candidate has to complete the incomplete pair by choosing correct letter or group of letters from the alternatives. The candidate have to remember the position of letter in English alphabetical orders to find out required relationship. You are having 26 English alphabets A to Z. You have to remember, you have to learn the position of each letter in your alphabets. so that you can find out your answers easily. In this we can take the example of vowels and consonants, increasing and decreasing position of letters. Reverse order of letters can also be taken as the example. In these three types of analogies, word analogy, number analogy and alphabet analogy, you have to take care of their similar or their having similar features, so that you can find out the answers. You have to learn the order of A to Z so that you can remember position of each letter. Even reverse of alphabetical order should be known to you. Children, will take one example from word analogy. Complete the second pair by choosing appropriate alternatives. This type of questions will come under word analogy. For Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra. Next we have to write. Now 4 options are also given: Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Kolkata and Mumbai. What will be the answer according to you? Children, look, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal is capital of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra is a capital of Mumbai. That means our answer is Mumbai. The last option is our answer. The last option, Mumbai, is our answer. In number analogy, complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. 2 is to 4, 3 is to dash. Now we have to write the right answer here. Look, 4 options are given: 20, 21, 24 and 9. Now how we find out? We have to look in first pair. In first pair, this number is square root of this number. 4 is square root of 2. If we will get 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Same way, square root of 3 is 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 9. That means 9 must be our answer. Answer D. Our answer is 9. Children, in alphabet analogy, the question is E is to 5, J is to dash. The options are 15, 10, 12 and 20. Now for this we have to write first write the numerical order with these alphabets. A is at 1, B 2, C 3, D 4, E 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Up to J is required. Look, E is to 5, J is at 10. Our option is at here 10. That means our answer is 10. Children, for this analogy you have to learn A to Z in alphabetical order, and you even learn A is at 1, F is at 6, K is at 11. Even you have to learn reverse of it. You also have to run in reverse numbers. F is at what position, K is at what position, so that you can solve questions easily.